Welcome back, y'all. Night Reaper here. Today we're going to discuss Chapter 2 of the Tidradio H3 hacked by Marcus Dudley. And Chapter 2 is going to be all about wireless copy. Wireless copy helps you transfer information from one radio to another to clone the radio. This is great for groups and businesses, so we're going to show you how to do that today. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get both of your radios powered up. As you can see here, the radio on the left does not have my call sign because it has not been wireless copied yet. All right, the next step we're going to want to do is hit the blue menu or Bluetooth button. Once you hit that button, it's going to open up your menu. From there, we're going to look for menu 44. Once you find menu 44, you're going to take the radio with all of the information and switch that to say send. And the radio that wants to receive the information to say receive on menu 44. Once you've done that on both radios, you'll get these screens that say 000. The next step is to push in on the menu button again. I suggest you do this with the receiving radio first. All right, once you've done that, it'll begin to count down. So we're going to let this go ahead and process through. One other thing I wanted to mention is you will hear your radio making this noise during the process. I currently have mine turned down, so here's an example. So yeah, you'll hear some sounds like that. While this is continuing to process, I just wanted to remind you, when I do reach 1,000 followers on TikTok and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we will be doing a drawing to give away a free Cobra radio. So please support me, like, follow, and share on my platforms. And thank you so much. All right, so we're getting up there in number. As you can see, both radios are still communicating, and we're just waiting on these to finish up. There will be links in the description for this firmware as always, and you can also find it at Tidradio H3 Hacking Group on Facebook. This firmware is created by Marcus Dudley, and he does advise if you're not experienced, you may not want to dabble in this, but read and learn, and I'm sure you'll get there. All right, so we finished up. You can see the radio on the right is powering back up. That was the receiving radio, and it now has my call sign on it, which means the information is transferred over. I'm going to show you here that the frequencies and settings are the same. So this is great if you own a business, or you're traveling with a group of friends, or you want to give all your family radios like in GMRS, or if you have other family members that are ham radio operators. It's a great way to copy everything over without having to program each radio individually. I want to ask all y'all out there to comment and let me know where you're at out there. I want to see who I'm reaching and where I'm getting out to, and tell me what your favorite radio model is. Maybe we'll make a video on it. As always, I like to tell y'all I am not a professional. I am still learning myself, and this is more of a learning journey together. And the Facebook page is probably the best way to learn about this hacked firmware. And if you don't feel comfortable, don't dabble in it until you're ready. As always, there will be descriptions below with all the information you need, and I really appreciate y'all watching. 7-3 from the Night Reaper. Until next time, see you for Chapter 3 soon, and we're back quiet.
Respond, we're ready to thrive. Night Reaper, listen to my flow. We're radio calling, let the energy glow. From the towers high, let the music blast in the realm of